In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view a list of all audio devices installed on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, check them back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Sound. Scrolling down to the bottom, underneath Advanced, select where it says All Sound Devices, and this will list out your output and input devices. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.